Yo, welcome to my channel, and today we're doing a little video on my apartment tour and some of the things that I have in here. It's not the most decorated apartment ever, but I got a little something coming, So I'm this is the video for that to show you what I did do. I decorated a little bit, and I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for supporting. Right by the front door, we got this cool picture. I bought this from a girl off Instagram. Her name is Shay. It's a pretty good picture. I love it. It's kind of explains, my beliefs. Sometimes I'm a little weird, so I like a little weird shit like this. So yeah, it's half alien, half a bear. Just wow. Yeah, we got a regular refrigerator. Same thing as anybody else's. I got an ice maker, which is dope. I be getting ice up out of there every day. As you can see, ain't shit in there. Ain't nothing in my freezer. I do a little weird thing. I put my deodorant in the freezer, but don't judge me. Don't judge me. Anywho, now we over here to the refrigerator part. You see, there's nothing in there either. I eat out every day pretty much, so I don't eat at home. I do eat a little healthy. I got some apples. I got some salad right here, and then as you can see by the trays over here towards the right, all I got is fucking salad dressing. Wow. Anywho, back to what I was saying. We over here to the stove now, and it's really just a regular stove. Well, it's a nice stove. I ain't gonna lie. And, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's clean as hell because I ain't never used it. And then we move on a little bit to the left here, and we got some regular cabinets. Nothing in there. So now we gonna pan over here to the left. Right here is my laundry room door. So pretty good new appliances. It came with the apartment, so I didn't buy this. They're really nice. Can't really say too much about them. Very thankful to have that. Thank you. Thank you to the Most High. Definitely just washed some clothes last night, so you see it's just still in there, and I ain't folded it up yet. I'm sorry. Don't judge me. But it's right here. I ain't never understood. I asked the realtor lady when I first walked in. I didn't know what the fuck this was, bro. I asked her. I said, "What is that?" She said, "That's where you supposed to put your, you supposed to hang your clothes up right there, your jackets and your shit up." And I was like, "Wow." I guess I'm from the hood, huh? Got this. The world is yours. Light. I got it off Temu. I paid probably like $5 for it. A lot of the stuff that's in this video I got from Temu. Really, really, really cheap, really affordable, and good quality. So, if you wanna shop and get something cheap, I say go to Temu. So now we got this light. I got this off the TikTok shop though. And this was a little bit more expensive than the other one. I paid $20 for it, and um, it comes with these little buttons that where you can turn up the lights and turn it back down and shit. So it's pretty dope. It's better than most of the stuff you get. Um, well, we got the Gravistar mouse. It's an M2 something I forgot, but it's really really nice. I got it from the TikTok shop. I got it because look at it. It's really nice. It's really unique. It got these little grooves and it lights up. It has a really good response time, and it's just dope looking. Like, look at that. You ain't never seen no mouse like that. I promise you that. Yo, shout out to them Gravistar. On to the gaming keyboard. It's a Ducky 1-2 Mini. If you're a gamer, then you really know about these keyboards. They're really nice. A little bit on the expensive side. So if you want one, it's gonna cost you around $80. You might be able to get one cheaper on eBay, like what I did. So mine was around 80, and it came with all of the caps and different things like that that I can interchange and take off the caps. So basically, I designed this myself. The best one that I have is that win cap right there, just because I W key, so I win most of my fights. Second keycap that I have that I love is this space bar right here. It got my nigga Puma on there, and if you know about that, that's from Lion King. So we got my budget mic right here. It's a Toner 310 TC, and it's off the TikTok shop. If you want to go buy that, I could definitely tell you to go to TikTok shop and go buy that. Facts. It's got that little pop thingy, that pop sensor thing where it doesn't make that pop noise when you're talking. And it's a good mic for the budget. Like, I only paid $20 for it, 20 or 30. I got this ZZA gaming monitor. It's 36 inches curved, 1 second, 1 millisecond response time, and it's pretty good. 240 hertz. Really would recommend that. I only paid $150 for it. It was on sale on TikTok Shop, so I definitely locked in when it came to that right there. And then I got my AOC 27-inch curved monitor. It's one millisecond response time, just like the other one. This used to be my old game monitor before I got the new one. So I just use it to look at stream, or just use it as like placeholder, just like any other gamer. But yeah, I think I paid like $150 for that like 3 years ago. Definitely recommend it. Now over to the gaming PC. This is the PC that I'll be slapping the shit out of people on Call of Duty on. It's got a 3070 GPU, an i9 CPU, and like 16 gigs of RAM. And then there's like 2 terabytes of USD. So definitely recommend it. It's a really cheap one, so I think it would be a good thing for anybody that wants to get a new PC. On to the bathroom, we got the blue and gold. I love both of those colors. My favorite color is blue, by the way. And then we got a whole bunch of shit on the counter, as you can see, a whole lot of shit up there, but it's cool though. Yeah. So I'm not really. There goes me waving, looking good. Yep. Now we pan over here to the left. Now we got the shower. We got the gold trim, white glass with glass door. Just literally like my dream to have like a shower like this. So I damn near shed a tear when I first moved in. Side note, when I first moved into the apartment, that glass door right there fell off the hinges and hit the wall, bro, and I almost cried that day because I thought that shit was gonna cost like $1,000 whole time. It was included in the lease, baby. We got the door back on there for free, but I make sure I close that door every time now because like I was really scared. Like the entire glass thing fell off the hinges, bro. That door right there, you see how tall that shit is? Yeah, really like tripping. On to the closet. We listen. We don't judge. Do not judge me, bro. I just, I'm working on it. I don't got really nothing going on up in there. Just a whole bunch of shit everywhere. I'm working on it though. Like I said, don't judge me. You know what I'm saying? I got shoes up there at the top. Then I got a whole bunch of miscellaneous shit just hanging around. But I'm working on it though. Like I said, don't judge me. Clearly. Well, we're entering into the best part of the house to be, is these galaxy lights right here. Like turn the lights off and just take a shower and look up at the sky. I'm grown, but I'm a grown kid at heart, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I like colors and shit like that. So like I said, I take a shower with the lights off just so I can look at the ceiling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Brings me happiness and joy, and that's all that matters, bro. As long as it's making you happy, that's all that matters, man. Word. Now this paint right here means a lot to me. I painted that by myself, and when I finished it, I thought I was Picasso, my nigga. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It really felt like that shit was supposed to be in the Renaissance, like be in the world history books. You know what I'm saying? So I hung it above my toilet because I'm great. Well, now that we to the end of the video, and I'm walking towards the door, cause you know what time it is. Time to get the fuck up out of here. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad you enjoyed. If you enjoyed my video, click down in the description and thank you, like you, and